I said that DALR 10, you know that, and SALR 5, and here I said that ELR 7 degrees Celsius per kilometer. It is 41, it is 40, it is 40. तो ये कंपैरेटिवली क्या होगा, वार्म. तो ये ऊपर गया, its temperature will be how much? 34 degrees Celsius. Yes or not? Its temperature will be and then DLR surrounding over, its temperature will be what? 30. And if it is saturated air, then its temperature will be what? 35. So यहाँ पे environment का temperature कितना हो गया? How much? 34 degrees Celsius. And if the surrounding air is what? Dry, then its temperature will be what? 30. So it will be warmer than the surrounding, and it will show what? Instability. It will show instability if this air is what? The surrounding air is what? Dry air. So 30, 41 से it will become 34, and यहाँ 30 आ गया. So this will behave like what? Warmer than the surrounding. So in this case we can say that is an instability. But if the surrounding is saturated air, environment के चारों तरफ, then it will become 35. So ये क्या show करेगा? I am colder than the surrounding, and it will show what? Stability. So in this condition it is considered as a conditional stability or instability. Understood? So stable भी हो सकता है और instable भी हो सकता है. It depends upon surrounding. Understood? So what are the things we have seen? Absolute stability, absolute instability, and conditional stability and instability. Is it okay? और इसमें क्या होगा? DALR is greater than ELR and ELR is greater than SALR. 10, 7, 3. Now, and I am talking about North America. सपोज करो कि एक विंड यहाँ से ऐसे आ रहा है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? माउंटेन्स. And this wind will coming from the ocean, so they will carry moisture. Yes or not? They will carry. And जब moisture होगा तो there will be which kind of lapse rate? Saturated or dry adiabatic? If there will be moisture means it will be saturated. तुरंत saturation होगा moisture की वजह से. Understood? और इसको wet adiabatic lapse rate भी कहते हैं. Wet का मतलब moisture होना या saturate होना. This is in a Rockies mountain. Understood? And यहाँ से cloud आया, sorry what moisture wind आया, and then they found obstruction from the which one I said? Rockies. And then and यहाँ का temperature I said that it is 20 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature? So when it will go upward, they will convert into cloud. Convert into cloud, and more cloud will be at higher height, more condensation. नीचे height पे कम होगा. Rainfall ज़्यादा कहाँ होगा? Tell me. Higher height or lower height? Higher height. क्योंकि condensation सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पे मिलेगा? So I said that यहाँ से temperature at 1 kilometer height पे कितना होगा? And its height is, suppose I said what? 4 kilometer. And Rockies heights are what is around 4 to 5 kilometer. So I said that 4 kilometer around. तो at 1 kilometer पे इसका क्या होगा? Saturated adiabatic lapse rate is how much? 5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. So at every 1 kilometer it will decrease by 5. Then it will be 10, then it will be 5, then it will be 0. तो यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस and the rainfall has been happened. और यहाँ आया तो this air is what? Dry. और हमेशा कोई भी एयर डिसेंड करता है वो मॉइस्चर लेकर डिसेंड नहीं करता, हमेशा वो क्या होता है? ड्राई ही होता है. एंड व्हेन द एयर कम्स ओवर देयर, तो ये कैसा एयर है? ड्राई. एंड दिस एयर विल डिसेंड, सो इट विल बी डिसेंड बाय ड्राई एडियाबैटिक लैप्स रेट और सैचुरेटेड एडियाबैटिक लैप्स रेट? ड्राई एडियाबैटिक लैप्स रेट. व्हाट इज द ड्राई एडियाबैटिक लैप्स रेट? If it will go upward, it will decrease by 10 degrees Celsius, and if it will come downward, it will increase by 10 degrees Celsius. And then when it will come down at, it is a 0 degrees Celsius, at 1 kilometer it will be what? 10, 2 kilometer down 20, then 30, and then 40. Temperature will increase. और दूसरे साइड ये क्या करता है? Make the region to be more warmer, and this wind will be what? Warm wind. और इसी तरह Chinook है, which one in the North America there is an what? Chinook. And then there is an also Santa Ana, and these are what? Through the dry adiabatic lapse rate and saturated adiabatic lapse rate, they become what? And in the Europe it is what? Foam. In the Europe these are what? The major character of it. Clear? Clear? समझ में आ गया? ड्राई एडियाबैटिक लैप्स रेट एंड सैचुरेटेड एडियाबैटिक लैप्स रेट टू द व्हाट हेल्प इन मेकिंग द व्हाट लोकल विंड टू बी, एंड दैट इज इन अ टर्सरी विंड. और नीचे उतरता है तो स्टार्टेड मेल्टिंग द आइस. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज आइस ईटर. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज व्हाट? आइस ईटर.